I regularly get these real-time market news on WhatsApp. And do you think that someone is sitting in the background and sending this market alerts manually? No, I have created this amazing automation using which I get real-time market news instantly and without any manual intervention. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. This can be so helpful if you do not have the regular time to check out the news. You just have to open your WhatsApp chat whenever a new market update is received. Okay, so what you have to do is, to create this automation, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of update alerts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. You have to go on this buy it now, enter your details and click on this have a coupon button. Now just enter your coupon code, click on this apply, which is RITYT. Once you're going to click on this apply to sync coupon code applied successfully. So yes, you can see that now we're going to receive a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is possible because we have used this coupon code, which is RITYT. Okay, but I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you, then you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. The discount coupon code is attached right over here. Alright, so now if you are a new user, just log in inside Pabbly Connect and come on the dashboard. Now click on this create workflow button, select your workflow builder. You have two options, the new one or the classic one. The classic one has a stable and a familiar approach. The new one is modern, faster and flexible. So select your workflow builder, enter the workflow name, select the folder in which you want to save your workflow. So if you want to learn how to create folders and subfolders, you just have to click on this add new button. It is not a difficult task. You have to enter your workflow name folders, click on this create and your workflow builder will open. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for RSS feed. Alright, now for the event you have to select it as new item in feed and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the feed URL. So first of all, you have to decide which publishers news you want to get on WhatsApp. So let's say if you want to receive the news for the Hindu, so open a new tab, go on the search and type the Hindu RSS feed, and once you're going to type this, the first URL will be the one from which you can get the feed URL. If you want the publisher to be someone else, like let's say Economic Times, so you have to type the Economic Times and then you have to once again enter RSS feed, and once you enter this, you're going to receive the feed URL of this, the Economic Times. Same goes for the Times of India and all of this. You just have to enter the publisher name and then type RSS feed and you're going to receive the URL. Once you receive this URL, over here you're going to see all the categories. So first of all, select the categories as markets over here and then something like this will appear. So you just have to copy this URL and then paste it right over here in your workflow. This will be your feed URL. So this is the feed URL of the Hindu Business Markets RSS feed. Alright, so now let's move on further. It is saying filter types, so select it as recommended. Keep the response format as simple only and click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, as you can see that we have received this right over here. We have received the title, the link, the publishing date and time, the description and the content too. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use this only in order to post market alert on WhatsApp. Okay, but before we move on further, I'll just let you know something, that RSS by Pabbly is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data, and over here in the case of RSS by Pabbly, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 60 minutes. So if you want to reduce or increase this time, just left click on this. You can set the trigger time right from here. The minimum is 10 minutes and the maximum is 24 hours. I want to receive the news update every 60 minutes, so I'm going to keep it as 60 minutes only and move on further and go and connect my WhatsApp. So for that, you have to click on this add new action step. Now you have to select the application using which you're going to send WhatsApp messages. So if you want to use Wati, AI Sensi, WhatsApp Cloud API, Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly supports most of them. You just have to select your application over here. I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. For the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. Once you're going to click on this connect, it is asking you add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on this add a new connection and then it is asking for the token. So to get this token, open your Pabbly Chatflow account. The hyperlink is given right over here, and now you will be redirected towards all Pabbly apps page. So go on this Pabbly Chatflow and open your Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. After you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number right over here. If not, over here's the video, you can refer to this and add your WhatsApp number. After this, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then API and webhooks. Once you come over here, as you can see that this is the API token, so just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on the save and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So enter the mobile number on which you want to receive this market updates. So I'm going to enter my mobile number because I want to receive the market updates on this number only. Now it is asking me for the WhatsApp message. So over here for this WhatsApp message, I want the message something to be like this. Alright, so I'm just going to copy this WhatsApp message from my previous workflow and then I'm going to paste it right over here. After we paste it, what we have to do is we just have to change certain details. Alright, so let's just enter this WhatsApp message once again, and after we enter this, we're going to simply change some details like the headline and the description and the rest of the details. Okay, so to enter the details, we have a hack over here. So first of all, we have to enter the headline, the description and then the link. But over here, we're not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the detail and map it like this. So what I've done is I've first mapped the headline, and if someone is interested in the headline, then over here is the description, and then further if they want to read the full news, we have also attached the link over here. So we have entered this WhatsApp message. Now let's move on further. It is asking me for the name and the rest of the details. So all of these details are not required. If you wish, you can definitely add this. Otherwise, what you have to do is you just have to switch on this key button and delete whatever is written right over here, and then click on this save and send test request. And once you're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to receive the positive response that the message is sent successfully. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see we have received a new message. Over here is the message, and yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Over here in this message we can also read the full news. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now every 60 minutes I'm going to receive the market updates instantly on WhatsApp only. I don't have to come back and again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. You can customize these alerts according to your own choice. If you want, you can definitely only set the headlines and the URL, or if you want, you can definitely only send the description or something like this, whatever you want for yourself. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, don't forget the discount coupon code is attached right over here. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.